Hello guys, we have got iPod Touch 5th generation which is not charging, and we have to replace the charging cable. That involves micro soldering, and let's do it. So first of all, we will remove these board screws. And I think I leave the screws like this because I completely forget. First of all, we have to disconnect the battery. Okay, so we'll go in microscope. Okay, so first of all, we have to remove this. This actually, we have to scratch it. This is how this paper is. And to scratch it so that we can expose. Oh yeah, we can pull it up from here. Yep. Okay, should be okay. Yep. I don't want to scratch the connectors because we have to use the same battery. Okay, that's enough. A little bit from here. Alright, so now we will tint it with a little bit of low melt solder. Okay, and then hold this. Oh, there is one which is, no, this is just and then the next one. Okay, I will just make sure this is not holding it here. David, can you help him please? Okay, can you see? Oh no, the lady, not me. I'll just give it a heat here if there is a glue underneath. I don't want to use heat gun here because the battery is very close. Okay, that's the last one here. What is it holding it here? Okay. Okay, that's there. Why not do it this way? Yep. Okay. Well done, Zeph. Okay, that looks all good. Battery connectors are okay. So the next thing is we will be doing is removing the board. So there are I think 3 screws which are holding this board. Yeah, I'm right. 3, 1, 2, 3 here. And I think it's better if we disconnect this, remove the screw from the Wi-Fi antenna. This is good. Okay, and then this is the front cam, and gently pull it up. Camera looks like a little bit liquid damage. The bottom was also liquid damage. So alright. So we will disconnect LCD connectors, camera. Yep. And there is another one which is LCD and touch connector, one of those. Okay. Now there we are. We have to remove this tape from here so that we can expose the charging port. This is the new charging port. But I think since we have to remove the whole thing, so we will remove the battery. So for battery removal, don't use the metal plungers like this, or never this one, because once it's punctured the battery, then might not work. Okay, battery is removed, and the next thing is we have to remove this speaker, where the speaker is, and then there are I think 3 or 4 screws here. So that we can take out this power charging port unit and install the new one. Okay. Yep, that came out. Now the next thing is to remove this adhesive tape from here, and then we have to expose these connectors. Now we will tint them for easy removal. Now, because there is no battery close to the board, we will use heat gun after that to remove it. To be on safe side, I will put some heat resist tape. This looks, the whole thing is liquid damage, as you can see, and this speaker is also soldered on the charging port, which we will remove later. Okay, and one more here just to hold it. Okay, and now we will get the heat gun. Set the right temperature for it. So we don't have to pull it hard, just feel. I knew this, I have to put some weight on it. Should I put, here? I think this should be okay. Yep. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Can you see? A bit out focused. Okay. Too much light. That looks okay. Alright, so now the next thing is clean it.
password of this notebook? Do you have a password on this one? There's a pen.
Okay.
No, you didn't show me.
I would like to, because some of them they look sort of rusted, so I would like to give it one more clean. Oh, come on. Okay, looks better. Now give it some clean.
Hi.
Okay. After cleaning, we will tint the bed. You can see, right? Yeah. Yep, that's done. Now get the new charging port. Now we will get a new charging port, and the next thing we have to do is to align the windows. This window is quite big anyway. It's supposed to have that small anyway. Should be okay. So we will just put it in the center here and here. Yep, that looks okay to me. And I will just bring you, yep, here you can see clearly. And now we will put some flux so that we can flow the solder paste, and then that's all done. So as you guys, I think you can see those small holes in the connector, so that is where I'm looking, so that the solder melts off and then flow on the golden shiny part. That is where I will know that it's soldered correctly. And that's it. Next thing I will be doing is give it a little bit of clean. Okay, and it all looks okay to me. This is done. Now the next thing is to remove this speaker. And solder it onto the new one. Come on. I think I will just do it here. Oh no, the other one. Yep. And then install it here like this. I will just a little bit tint this part. That much is okay. And can you see? Oh yeah. I will just move here. Come on. Don't burn my hand. Okay, let's remove this. Okay. Because if we are not holding it right here and press it down, the solder is not gone into solid state and then coming off. That's a bit tricky place. Uh-oh. Come on, man. Hold it here and there you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep, that's it. And now, because it's a little bit attached there, so I will just hold it and like this and like this. One more time so that it's solid enough and strong enough to transfer the data and power. That's done. Okay, and the next thing is I will remove this whole thing now without breaking anything. Just peeling off heat resist tape and make a good round end here. And then we will find that screw if we are still here in the box, which these are. Okay, I don't want to. I have to put the LCD as well, which I will leave it like this. And then the only thing I have to test is charging. Okay, I will just put the LCD and then come back. So to save time, I have put the logic board back, and the next thing we have to do is to solder the battery connectors. Okay. So doing this sort of connections is better. You hold it with that user, press it down, do this. I hope they are aligned okay, because I can't see the window, honestly speaking. So what I can do, because this is, so I will just make a hole here where the window is, so that I can see a hole here, and this is what the window alignment is here. Yeah, that's why. So it looks like it would have been easier if it was a new battery, but yeah, this time we got it right. It's just that this one feels like it's not melting, so I will use another soldering iron which delivers more. This feels like, yep, looks like okay now. Come on, melt. Yep, this is okay and this is okay. So the only thing which, oh sorry, is if the, because you don't have I need to show you like how to put it back together, you know, it's just very simple. And we will check it now if it's charging or not. It has got battery left already, so the only thing we have to check if it's charging or not. Okay, so as you can see, charging, drawing the right amps, 27 degrees, so all good. So I will just check it again and see charging. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.